What's going on today, you guys? I'm back working on the van for the first time. I'm gonna be throwing some new brakes on this thing today, and let's just cut right to it. All right, so got the wheel taken off. It was a 22 for the lug nuts, if you guys are wondering. That's what we used to get them off, and brake caliper bolts. Use this breaker bar to get them off. If I can get this thing back out of here, hold on, guys. Come on. It's 3/8. Fits in there obviously pretty well. So use this, get her off, and then update you guys with the new parts we got. So stay tuned for that. See how hard this is to get it off. Yeah, go from there. Alright, well, this turned out to be a little harder than we expected. No big deal though. This turns out on these 2500 vans, or these heavy duty series trucks, are my first time working on a truck, to be completely honest with you guys. These things, you gotta take the whole hub assembly off to get the brake rotor off. It's pretty different. So I'm gonna work on getting this cap off, and then hopefully hit this and it'll come off. And we'll update you guys if that works. Or after we get the cap off, anyway. Alright, so like we said, I got the caliper off with those 3/8 Allen keys. And ended up being the size to get that off. You see these old rotors and pads are cooked. We had to take the behind this cap, there's a cotter pin and a 3/16 bolt behind it. You take the bolt off. You don't bolt, it's not too tight because there's two bearing races behind there. They go on either side of the brake caliper here, one on this side, one in here. So we took the old bearings out, cleaned them, repacked them, re-greased the hub. Then we got the old pads out, compressed the caliper back in with a huge set of channel locks here, and took the you gotta take the brake reservoir cap off too, to help you make it a little bit easier. Got the new pads, they just kind of pop right in. And put the caliper back on. Got the rotor back on now. We're just gonna grab the wheel, put her back together, put this side of the ground onto the next side. And we're not gonna bore you guys with the next side, so probably wrap this video up here pretty shortly once we get this mess cleaned up and get her back on the ground. So we'll tune in with you guys in a bit once we got all this cleaned up, and yeah, wrap up this video there.